Do you ever wonder how to keep your car looking brand new without constantly having to touch up the paint? Hi, I'm Trevor from Zauggs Premium Car Care, and today I'm going to show you the secret to protecting your car's paint effortlessly. We all hate those small scratches and rock chips that ruin your car's look. So what's the solution? Paint protection film. This incredible film shields your car from everyday damages. Not only does it save you from constantly repairing your car, but it also maintains your car's pristine condition, ensuring it looks as good as new for years to come. So why wait? Protect your car today and keep it shining for years to come. Remember, prevention is always better than cure.